I'd really like to know how you grew up, your childhood, your family life.
Yes. Well, we have a fantastic family, the Adeleke family. My father, very disciplined. My father was a trade unionist. My father was a nurse. And he met my mom in Enugu. And 6 of us, our mom, were all born in Enugu. It was during the war. My father even built a house in Enugu and gave it to his close friend when the war, broke out. So we have to rush down to Lagos, to one state. But before we left, I can't even speak Yoruba. All of us cannot speak Yoruba.
Do you speak Igbo?
I speak Igbo. I speak very well.
In Igbo?
Nasu Ofuma.
Nasu
pieces, all them.
Fantastic.
So, so we can't even speak Yoruba. All of us, we only speak Igbo, broken, and English.
But you're not just from a multicultural family.
Yeah.
You're also from a multi-religious family.
Yes.
Your father is
Muslim
and
mother
your
Christian.
mother is Christian.
Yes.
How did you combine that?
Well, that is why we are civilized. My father studied in the UK, and when he came to marry my mom, my grandmother told him that, look, I hope you're not going to change my daughter to my father. My father said, no, we practice the same God. Muslims say Allah, and we say God, through Jesus Christ. So it's the same thing. It's when people, especially the politicians, when they want to use it, they started using religion. If they don't use religion, they use ethics. And so we grew up in our family, Muslim, Christian, and we lived together.